the Happy Heart. It's no surprise that my favorite words are irregular heart words. Let's have some fun and learn to read and spell a new heart word today. Today, our new heart word is buy. Your turn to say the word. Say buy. Great job! Now that we know today's heart word, it's time to count the number of sounds in the word. I'll push a circle into a box for every sound we say in our word. Here we go. I. There are 2 sounds, so we will keep 2 sound boxes. Okay, heart word heroes, now it's time to spell the sounds in our sound boxes and figure out why this word is called an irregular heart word. The first sound in the word buy is B. This is spelled with the letter B. Since this sound is spelled the regular way, a black box goes here. The second sound is I, and this is the tricky part that we need to mark with a heart. In the irregular word buy, the second sound I is spelled with a U and a Y together. The heart reminds us that UY is an irregular spelling for the sound I. All right, word wizards, get ready for our last job. It's time to write our word. The irregular heart word buy is spelled B-U-Y. Great spelling today. My dad and I went to the shopping mall to buy new shoes. I have something exciting to share before we're done today. If we take away the letter B from the beginning of the word buy and add the letter G to the beginning of the word, we can also read and spell the irregular heart word guy. The guy who lives next door goes for a jog every morning. Amazing work today, heart word superstars. Remember, those tricky irregular words are easy to learn with a happy heart. See you next time.